Greetings, I'm here to talk about orthotics, their durability, and when to replace them. First of all, over-the-counter orthotics, popularly known in this store as Superfeet, have a gate plate and a top cover, and the whole thing is really to be dedicated to the shoe. So when you buy these, you kind of want to buy a new pair each time you buy a pair of shoes and dedicate them to the shoe. When it comes to orthotics that are made on the professional level, when I educate all my customers, and I do that for everybody, I let you know that the gate plate, the heart and soul of the orthotic, the 3/4 piece that goes under your heel, under the medial lateral arch and up to the ball of the forefoot, that piece is going to last forever. It's never going to wear out. However, the top cover and the heel post are going to wear out someday. Me personally, this is my 27-year-old orthotic from Northwest Podiatric Laboratory. My current top cover is 1 year old, and my current heel post is just 1 year old. So about every 2 years, I send one of my 2 sets back to the lab, and they put new top covers on, new middle layers, and new heel posts and make them like brand new. So maintenance is key to having an orthotic for the long term. How do you know that they're starting to wear? You look at the wear pattern. They mostly usually bottom out across the middle and the front, maybe under parts of the toes, or maybe on the lateral edge or even the heel pocket. Some of my customers are very, very rigid and loyal to their maintenance routine. They just automatically have them refurbished about every 2 years or every 5 years, whatever works out for them. There's no set timetable based on when to refurbish and to have your orthotics maintained. As far as cleaning, if you take your orthotics and wash them in the sink now and then with an old toothbrush or some kind of a brush, you can clean them that way. Never throw them in the washer because you'll cause problems with the upper separating from the sole. Also, the lab that I work with, Northwest Podiatric Lab, sends me a fit card like this occasionally, and it shows the different top cover materials that they're using. So each time we refurbish an orthotic, we can add new materials to the top cover and new materials to the middle layer as well for cushioning. I just wanted to share a few tips with you because a lot of people are wearing these now, and I want you to just know that you can move them into most of your shoes. Always look for the circumference to be the same and the thickness of what came out of the shoe and the orthotic to match up really nice as well. And that's basically it. Thanks for listening.